Hello ma'am, good day. Let me present to you the system named GGR Store. In our system, we have a homepage, categories, cart, about our company website. In our system, we have a login page. If you have already an account, you can log in. So if you don't have an account, you can create a new account. For example, create. Now we have already a new account. Welcome Nikki Ortega. Start now to buy an order. For example, we can buy pepperoni tin. Add to cart. Let's proceed to cart, to shopping cart. Proceed to checkout. Confirm our delivery information, then place order. In our system, we have a admin page, admin login or admin page. So log in. In our admin site, we have a home, orders, menu, category list, users, site setting. In our orders, view order. In our menu, for example, let's add Hawaiian pizza. Save. Data successfully added. In our category list, for example, let's add lasagna. Save. Data successfully added. In our users, in our site setting, this is the information of our website. So back to website.